So I want to take a second and talk to you a little bit about the stinky side of the tasks that we have to do on these campers to be able to go out on these camping trips. Now, this particular video is going to be about this locking coupler here that's made by Camco. It's part of their Rhino series. And this is the one that actually locks and clamps down on your sewer connection there when you either get to your campsite, if you're on a full connection site, or if you're just going to be at the dumping station. Now, in all honesty, I've got just about every adapter that I've come across just to kind of see which of these work better in certain situations. And this particular one is the newest one that I've pretty recently picked up. And I like it for the fact that if you have a 3.5 or a 4-inch opening when you get to your site, you can essentially just slap this down in your plug, you push that lever down, this piece here expands out, locking you in place, giving you an airtight seal, and then you can either hook up your hose or your Y connection, depending on what it is you need. Now, I do have the 2 connections on mine for the gray tanks, so having this Y here is pretty handy to have when I get set up and ready to go. However, with that being said, I don't think this is the only coupler you need to have when you get to your site. And I want to take a second to explain to you why I think that's the case. So essentially, a lot of the kits you get these days come with this style like here where you can just thread these things in place. However, if the threads are damaged, which happens quite often, you have a hard time getting this thing to lock in. They also have these little adapters like this. So essentially, if you get somewhere that's got a smaller opening than a 3.5, you have these threaded spots like this, and this will fit down in that little sewer pipe a little bit better if you've got a smaller opening. Most of the sites I've been to thus far have all had the 3.5 and 4-inch openings, but they are out there, guys. So this coupler like this might be handy to have and keep in a tote along with this one here, just to have, depending on what your setup is when you get there in your particular situation. So honestly, I think all of these things have a place. Honestly, should be able to get away with having 2. If I was going to pick just any 2, these would be the ones that I would pick. However, a lot of the Camco kits that you get out there where it comes with all the parts and pieces, they do come with this, which is why I've got this one here as well. The other disadvantage to this particular one right here is the fact that if you get to a campsite and it's got one of those metal flaps that sits on top of the opening, for you to be able to connect to your sewer, sometimes this big lever right here gets in the way and you have a hard time getting that to shut down. And if that's the case, and I've had a couple situations where it's been that way, I've not been able to use this just simply for that reason. And I've had to use one of the other connections to be able to lock that thing in place, especially in those tighter openings. So that's kind of been my experience so far with the sewer hoses when it comes to the full connection sites and some of the dumping stations that I've experienced personally. But in all honesty, if I have my option or my pick, this is usually the go-to that I'm going for nowadays, just for the simplicity of being able to lock that thing in place, have that thing be an airtight seal, and not have to worry about trying to thread that thing down on. But you guys can let me know down in the comments which one you prefer or what you've had the best luck with. Other than that though, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Make it a great week, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.